Goeiedag, good day. En vandag gaan ons fokus op voornaamwoorde en werkwoorde. Today we're going to focus on pronouns and verbs. Kom ons begin met wat is 'n voornaamwoord? 'n Voornaamwoord vervang die selfstandige naamwoord. Daar is baie verskillende voornaamwoorde, maar vir nou moet jy weet dat dit net vervang 'n selfstandige naamwoord. As ek dit vir jou in 'n sin kan sê, of 'n voorbeeld gee, is dat Piet eet Piet se kos. Ons gaan nie Piet herhaal nie, maar ons gaan sê sy. Piet eet sy kos. If I can explain to you what is a pronoun, there are many types of pronouns, but you only have to know that a pronoun replaces the noun. If I give it in a sentence, for example, Piet is eating Piet's food. We are not repeating Piet. We are saying Piet is eating his food. And then, what is a verb? Wat is 'n werkwoord? 'n Werkwoord is 'n aksiewoord. Dis so slaap, spring en kruip. 'n Verb is 'n action word. It's like sleep, jump and crawl. Nou gaan ons die woorde saam oefen. Now we're going to practice the words together. Ek, I. Jy, you. Hy, he. Sy, she. Hardloop, run. Eet, eat. Slaap, sleep. Skryf, write. Okay, and now you can grab a pen and paper and try writing them down as I say them. Are you ready? Okay. Ek, jy, hy, sy, hardloop, eet, slaap, skryf. Baie dankie, thank you, and please feel free to repeat this video as many times until you feel comfortable. Baie dankie en lekker dag. Totsiens.